Welcome, ice friends, and in this video we're going to share with you on how to make big blocks of clear ice. It all starts off by using this machine. This is a Klein Bell machine, and inside this machine are two big bins. And how this works is it freezes from the bottom up. Each bin will make a block of ice that's about 300 pounds. So the first thing we do is we fill them with a bag liner to help hold the water. And then we fix it with a couple brackets and then start filling it in with water. Each bin is roughly about 50 gallons of water. And then the next thing that we do is that we just take a little fountain pump, something just like this, and we plug it in and we put it right in the machine. Now the importance of the fountain pump is that it circulates the water and it pushes all the air bubbles out as it freezes. So give it about a few days later, we have ice that is formed. And so right now this is about 12 inches of ice, and I'm currently touching the ice, and so it grows all the way up into the bottom of the pump. We pull the pump out, and then here I'll just let it sit for another day or so. And you can see without that pump that it froze some air bubbles in. Well, these blocks are ready to go. So let's go ahead and get it ready to pull with this ice block puller. And so this bracket right here, this bar has two brackets on the end, and this is going to go and this is going to fit just snug and perfect right in this block of ice. And then I pull it up, and this is how we pull these 300-pound blocks of clear ice. Now take a moment and watch this. Yeah, look how clear that is. You can read text from the length of that block. So right there we got 40 inches by 20 inches by about 12 inches thick at this moment. But I would trim the 2 inches of white ice off. So after we pull the block out and get it on this dolly, we got to cut these brackets out, right? Because we want to reuse them. So we just use a knife, score it on the bottom, and watch. Bam! Pull that out. Let's do it to the other end. Clunk, clunk, clunk. Yeah, this part is just so satisfying. Watch that. And wham. Blocks are out, or brackets out, I meant. And let's just ramp it right up into the walk-in freezer, and voila. And that is how you make a block of ice. If you're interested in knowing how to make ice in more detail, watch my video on how to make ice blocks for nerds. Thank you for watching.